Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to blur an image in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Pixlr website where we can get started logging into your account in the upper right corner. If you do not already have an account, just go and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Pixlr where we can get started opening up the photo editor. So let's go ahead guys and open up the photo editor right here. That's going to open up this new menu where we can get started opening up the image and selecting the image that we want to blur. So I have my image already selected right here, so you can just go ahead and open it up, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this image option right here, which is the menu, and at the left side of the screen we can see the toolbar with all the options we can use for editing, like arranging, cropping, cutting out, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with blurring. So to blur your image right here, look at the left side of the screen where we can see the adjust option. So we have the adjust option where we can see we can get started with changing the color of our image. We have the light option, details, and so on. So basically guys, under the details option, as you can see, we have the blur. So what we want to do, if you want to blur it, you can go and select how much you want to blur it, all the way on to up to 100, so you can select what works the best for you, and then you can get your desired blur for your image. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.